Have you ever wondered why the simplest item in your kitchen pantry might be the most powerful medicine you own? Imagine a single plant that has been selectively bred for over 7,000 years. A plant that ancient doctors once prescribed for everything from snake bites and headaches to bowel movements and hair loss. Today, we call it the onion, but in the ancient language of Sanskrit, it is Palandu, the beautiful bulb. But here is where the story takes a strange turn. Despite being hailed as an anti-aging king and a rejuvenating tonic, some of the world's most disciplined spiritual masters say you should never touch it. They call it a food of darkness. So, is the onion a miraculous healer or a spiritual trap? Whether you are a corporate professional struggling with high cholesterol, a frustrated student dealing with hair fall, or a stay-at-home parent trying to keep your family's immunity high, the answer lies in the ancient wisdom of Ayurveda and the cutting edge of modern clinical research. To understand why this vegetable is so controversial, we have to look at what it actually does to your body. Ayurveda classifies everything by its effect on your internal energies, known as dosas. The onion is fascinating because its oily, sweet, and pungent nature makes it a master at balancing vata, the energy of movement and the nervous system. This is why onions are considered a premier nervine tonic. If you feel scattered, cold, or stiff, the onion is your ally. However, because it is heavy and unctuous, it can slightly increase kapha, the energy of structure. This means the way you prepare it changes everything. If you are a beginner looking for the most benefit, you need to know the golden rule. Onions must be cut fresh and used immediately. Ancient texts and modern science agree on this one point: refrigeration is the enemy. Once an onion is peeled and stored, it spoils rapidly, losing its medicinal potency and becoming a magnet for bacteria. Let's talk about the frustration many of you face every morning in front of the mirror: hair loss. In the fast-paced world of a Gen Z student or a corporate professional, stress takes a visible toll. But the secret to hair shine and growth might be hiding in your crisper drawer. Ayurvedic tradition recommends applying fresh onion juice to the scalp just 10 minutes before you wash your hair. It sounds simple, but the sulfur compounds and flavonoids like quercetin work to stimulate the follicles and reduce fall. Some people even add chopped onion directly to their shampoo bottle, letting it sit for 2 weeks to create a potent growth formula. But a word of caution for those with sensitive skin or a high pitta constitution: if you find that onion juice increases irritation or hair loss, your body is telling you it's too sharp. This is the beauty of bio-individuality. What is a miracle for one might be too intense for another. For the stay-at-home parents and busy professionals, immunity is the ultimate currency. We often reach for expensive supplements, but modern research has just confirmed something Ayurveda knew millennia ago. Studies show that fresh onion extract can significantly increase CD for immune cells, the very determinants that help your body fight off infections. If you're dealing with a productive cough or chest congestion, the ancient remedy is a simple mixture of 1 teaspoon of onion juice and 1 teaspoon of ginger juice combined with a bit of honey. This facilitates expectoration and clears the lungs. For those dealing with the modern epidemic of high cholesterol and heart disease, the red onion is your guardian. Clinical findings suggest that regular consumption of red onions can maintain normal cholesterol levels and reduce the incidence of coronary heart diseases. Even more surprising? Onions fried in ghee have been shown to help prevent and even dissolve blood clots. The true secret of the onion lies in how you transform it. When you boil an onion, it becomes lighter and nourishes your system without overaccumulating heaviness. When you saute it in fat like ghee, it becomes a grounding force for your nervous system. From treating earaches with lukewarm juice to using onion paste and turmeric to heal wounds and remove dark skin patches, the applications are endless. We live in an era where we are often disconnected from the earth's pharmacy, but the humble onion proves that true medicine doesn't always come in a bottle. It's often found in the soil, waiting for us to rediscover its 7,000-year-old secrets. So the next time you hold this pungent bulb, remember you aren't just holding a cooking ingredient. You are holding a historical powerhouse of vitality, a shield for your heart, and a key to ancient longevity. Focus on the preparation, respect your body's unique response, and let this ancient king of vegetables reclaim its place in your journey toward health. Don't keep this to yourself. Like, share, tell me your thoughts in the comments, and follow for more amazing content.